How's it going, folks? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going out today, just do a little quick trip on Tenoroc. Got a little time this afternoon, and a big thunderstorm just came through, so it's nice and cool. So hopefully the fish are fired up. Hopefully it doesn't take much to be better than the last time I was out here, but hopefully they are biting, and we can get on some good fish today. I got some new stuff from Bass Pro Shops to try out, some swim baits and some swim bait hooks. Never really tried it before, so I think the lake I'm going to today should be a good place to try it out. So hopefully we get on something, but y'all stay tuned and see how we do today. All right, here we go. Back out on Tenoroc. If you've been here before, you know what lake this is. A pretty big gator right over there staring at me. I'm gonna steer clear of him. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check out this pile of trees with a crankbait. Let's see if anything's under there. Just had a big rainstorm come through here. You can still hear the thunder in the background. Thankfully, it's all cleared out. I have to take my sunglasses off. I can't see anything. It smells like damp garbage out here. I think I just got pecked by something. Alright, they don't seem to be too interested in that. Try around the edges with the flapping frog. One day I'll learn how to say that the first time we go around. Oh boy. all around me. Let's go ahead and try the new thing. VMC hybrid swim bait jig head. Pair that with YakAttack swing impact vat, and either the sight flash or the Tennessee shad. I think I'm gonna start with the Tennessee shad. Can't tell you why, I just have a feeling. So yeah, my feelings haven't been validated lately. That looks like crap, but let's see if it does something before I... Doesn't appear to affect it that much. Alright, let's try one of these points around here and see what that does. Alright, this is looking pretty fishy. And there's shads popping up around me. That's good. Alright. right. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the first fish of July I've caught. Oh, I should have let him have it. Dang. It was unfortunate, but that's part of the game with flipping close squirters like this. It was not a bad fish either. Whoa, fudge. Oh, whoa. Oh man, where'd he go? Okay. It was not a small gator. Oh, but we both know we're here now. No idea where he went. Hoping he went away from me. See him. folks, another less than stellar day on Tenoroc. Not really sure what I'm gonna do day of the tournament, but hopefully they're biting. That's all I can hope for, really. I'm hoping that there's an early bite and I manage to catch some decent fish to contribute to my team score. But yeah, I really don't know which lake I'm going to yet or how I'm going to fish it. But I guess we'll find out day of the tournament how all that goes. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm hoping I'm hoping one day I have a good fishing video to share with everyone, but right now this is just showcasing the struggle that is tournament bass fishing, especially here in Florida, middle of the summer. That water temperature today was 91 degrees, and it felt 91 degrees when I was walking in. It felt like a bathtub. So I can understand why the fish don't want to cooperate. It's because they're too hot. And so that's just how it is right now. That's what we got to deal with. We got to adjust. We'll adjust. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and leave a like, and let me know what you thought of the video, or if you got any tips for fishing in the heat. I'd love to hear them. So I forgot to mention, whenever I was coming out after I got my lake permit, I went over the speed bumps a little fast and I lost my clips, and lo and behold, here they are on the ground. So there's the clips to my my bed extender. Right now I've got the strap that I use to hold the end of my kayak, holding the two upright posts in, but normally those clips hold it in, and I guess I went over that bump a little too fast and made my kayak bounce enough to rip those clips out. So come to Tenoroc, watch out for the speed bumps. There's that one coming in or leaving, and then there's one for going east on the main road. Once you go past the guard station, there's another one there. So yeah, watch out for those speed bumps. That one coming in will get you, because it's got like a bump and then a dip after it, so it's more like a little roller coaster. So y'all be careful out there. Where's that at?
Right there.
Oh.
He just went crawling back into the woods over this way.
He couldn't get through that fence?
No, he tried like 3 times. He kept sticking his head in there and getting caught and then coming out.
Yeah.
And his fence all the way around. So.
I had one in Lake B I thought was going to jump in the boat with me. She got close. All right, thank you, sir. You too.